Solinaws, and in this video we are going to
show you around our condo for the first month here in the Philippines, and also take you around BGC, an area like no other in the Philippines.
So, let's go! Hey you!
Hello, baby.
Welcome to our new crib.
Yeah. So show me around.
Okay, so this is the living room. Cute, comfy, nice, right? And this is the view. And it's raining right now. And this is our kitchen. So happy that we got like a proper kitchen.
Me too.
Like we even have like a mixer. So we're gonna make smoothies and stuff. And of course a rice cooker. So that's really great. And so many other things. Bathroom. Here we go. Yeah. Just
Nice.
good shower and all. And then let's check out the bedroom. Here we go.
Nice.
Yeah. You can hang your clothes over there. So that's nice too. And here we go. Beautiful rainy day. So that's it for now. Check out that nice fountain over there.
Yeah, so we're at downtown BGC at Uptown Mall, checking out the nightlife here. Friday night.
So, tell me, what do you know about BGC?
BGC stands for Bonifacio Global City, and it's in Taguig City. Right pronunciation?
Taguig, yes.
Taguig, not Taguig.
No.
So BGC is a high-end area with a lot of modern skyscrapers, big malls, a lot of restaurants, nightclubs, big fashion stores, everything you can think of.
A lot of big international companies are resided here as well.
And what we really like, there are a lot of street art all around BGC. So you can find cool art pieces anywhere you look, on the walls, on the ground.
Everywhere.
So it gives it a little bit extra flair, I think, because it's really cool.
It does indeed give that extra flair.
Which also makes this a nice area to just stroll around, do some window shopping, look at all the big skyscrapers or the malls or just the art.
The art, or check out the small little parks that are a little bit all over the places between all the buildings and stuff.
Yeah. The first buildings in BGC was built around 2000, the millennium, so it's a pretty new area here in the Manila, in Philippines. And a lot of the big condominiums and buildings around here was built in the last 5-6 years, so it's really growing a lot right now. What do you think about BGC?
I love it, but it's different. I would say it differs quite a lot when I compare to the other places when I've been into the Philippines. Mostly I'm in the province or other places, and when I compare to those places I've been to, I think BGC feels like its own bubble. It's still the Philippines, but in a way it just feels a little bit different. What I like here though is that there is very little littering. It's very clean. It's an area that feels pretty safe, or very safe. Yeah, but there's still like Filipino vibes in it. So, but it's very diverse also when it comes to the people here. A lot of people from different countries, and that is nice too, the diversity of it all. And for us who are more plant-based, I think there's a lot of good options here when it comes to restaurants or cafeterias. You will find quite good alternatives so that you're able to eat more plant-based, or they will have options.
And even the supermarkets also has more vegan options.
Yes, and that's pretty nice just to have the alternative. The thing though is that it's pretty pricey.
It's really expensive here.
And not just for more plant-based food or vegan options, but BGC in general, I would say, is a pretty pricey place to be. So it kind of feels like the prices we have in Sweden sometimes.
Yeah. It was kind of surprising when we got here.
Yeah, quite a big shock, I must say, since we are on a budget, quite a tight one.
So overall, we really like it here.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. But we also long to get out of the concrete jungle.
Get to the ocean.
The green fields, the fresh air.
Yeah.
So we will try to do that soon.
That was it.
That's it for this week's video. We hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.
And if you want to follow us further on our journey here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And
now we want to hear from you. Have you been to BGC? What did you like? What didn't you like? So leave a comment below.
And give us some suggestions on what more to do here while we are here.
Until next time, take care.
Ingat.